Hello, fabulous friends. Julie Janasi here. Well, today we're rocking out the sun-kissed glam look. Check out this video for some great techniques and learning how you can get that golden glow for the season. So, see what you think. Leave your comments and let me know. We'll start off with our liquid eyeshadow in Light Beam. This one I use every time before I put on powder shadow. You just sweep it right across. You can see I already have it on. I use my cream color eyeshadow brush and blend it all the way across. It creates a beautiful base for your eyeshadows or just the base eyeshadow look for you. So now we're ready to do our sun-kissed glam. We are going to start with our Candlelight eyeshadow. So it's this first one right here. We're going to take our all over eyeshadow brush, load up the brush, tap on it before you put it on. And this one is going all over the lid. So I'm just giving myself this beautiful glow, even a little bit into the corner. So we're going to do the same to the other side, kind of pat and tap. I like doing patting motions, especially when I'm using something really shimmery, so it doesn't fly all over my face. I'm also going to take a little bit of this Candlelight and I'm going to put it right here underneath my eyebrow. I don't always put a lot of shimmer underneath my brow, but you can today since this is a sun-kissed glow look and we really do want to glow. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to do the same brush with the Hazelnut. Oh no, actually we're going to do a different brush. The blending brush. We're going to use our blending brush with the Hazelnut eyeshadow. Give it a little tap, and this one's going to be your mid-tone color. So it's just literally sweeping right here across your eye. You're going to tap it there, and start it in the middle of your eye, kind of right here. So you can keep your eye open even and go back and forth. It's literally like an arch, and our goal is not to get too far over. We want to always avoid putting shadow further than that line from our nose to the corner of our eye. So we're just giving it sort of this base color. Then I'm going to come back with my golden mauve, this one, or rose gold. You can do either choice. We're going to do rose gold today. This one I'm going to go right here above my crease and above this kind of bronzy tone, the hazelnut that I just put on, to give it a little bit more kind of fun. So I like adding a little bit extra to that. So you can see I'm tapping it just literally on the top of my brush, giving it a tap, and then going right across. So this is just giving my mid-tone color a little bit more depth. So now I have a lot of fun color up there. Now I'm going to take my eyeshadow crease brush. So this one, I'm going to use the tip of that. This is an angled brush, you can see. So I'm kind of putting the angle right there on the top. So the color is literally on the very top. Give it a tap. And this one is going to be my shaping color. So I'm going to just do a little angle here, bringing it inward. And then I'm also going to go into the crease. So I'm doing it kind of along the lash line and then also in my crease, almost like a V right here. So I'm giving it that sort of illusion. There we go. We're going to grab a little more color, this one right there, give it a little tap. And remember, you can always just keep applying and then we're going to blend it with our blending brush at the end. So it doesn't have to be perfect right now. Like that's pretty defined, but we're going to come back and blend that. In fact, let's do that right now. We're going to use our blending brush and we're going to sweep this just on a Kleenex. Since I already had color, I was applying color with this blending brush. You can also have a second blending brush if you would like. That's sometimes a little bit easier. Have one to blend and one to apply color. Then we're just going to kind of blend it across. If it gets too intense, you can always grab a little bit of your rose gold eyeshadow or even Candlelight eyeshadow and tone it down. So there you go. We are good. So we're going to take the same crease brush, little tap here, tap it there, and you are just going to kind of start it here and go across into your crease, just kind of like that. So you're just basically going on top of what you just did with the arch, and we're staying above the crease. You notice how most of the color is above the crease instead of just inside the crease. We don't want to put color in the crease because it's going to sort of fade away. And let's just see. Yep, that's pretty even. We're going to take our blending eyeshadow brush and just kind of smooth it across. And there you go. So we are good. Now we're going to do some eyeliner. I love our waterproof eyeliner. We're going to do the brown. This one, I'm just going to go right here along the base of my lashes, wearing eyeliner is helpful to always have a little bit of color on your eyelid. So I always suggest doing a wash of color at least before you put on eyeliner. It'll make your liner in your eyes just pop a little bit more. There we go. And mascara, we are going to do the Lash Intensity. I love this mascara. This one gives you buildable lashes, super long, and the brush is really cool. You could see how it has lots of bristles, but if you turn it this way, you'll notice there is like a V. Let's make sure I'm showing it to you correctly. It's a V like this, so you can kind of see that. There we go. And I'm going to actually put my lashes in between the V first. So I need a good mirror to do this. It's going right there. And then I'm going to turn the wand and comb through. But first I'm still putting my lashes in the V to give it lots of mascara. And now I'm going to turn it. So I'm going to use the actual long bristles to comb through and separate every lash. That is how you get buildable coverage and super long lashes. And we're going to do the same to the other side. Okay, that was 2 coats. I just love this Lash Intensity mascara. Now we're going to just do a quick touch of the waterproof mascara, especially if your eyes tear or smudge, or it's summertime and it's super humid outside. So we're just going to coat the very tips of my lashes with some waterproof mascara. This will seal on your mascara, and also by doing this technique where you use a fantastic mascara first and then do a waterproof on top, you are getting the best experience with your lashes. If you just use a waterproof mascara, you won't be able to get that buildable length and curl as well, because waterproof mascara really has just one purpose. It's waterproof. So this gives you the best of both worlds. There we go. Now we waterproofed our eyes and we're set. Let's do some lips. We are going to do the Beach Blonde for our sun-kissed look. So it's a really gentle, neutral color. This one is a great color to wear on top of lipstick or just even by itself. And voila. We are ready for our sun-kissed look. So feel free to comment, ask me questions. I would love to help keep you beautiful today. So have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.